Hi everybody, I'm Charlie from Happy Kids Preschool. I'm so happy that you are here today. Today we are going to learn about the rainbow. So I bought my big pot and some fruits. Can you help me to name them? What about this? This is an apple. And this is an orange. Very good. And this one, a lemon. And this is a pear. And what about this? A blueberry. And this one, a bunch of grapes. Excellent. Now we are going to put these fruits in this pot. Okay. Now take an apple, put it in the pot, stir it a lot. Take it out. What could it be? Oh, a prettiest red you ever did see. Now we'll take the orange and put it in the pot. Can you help me to put this in the pot? Okay. Take an orange, put it in the pot, stir it a lot. Take it out. What could it be? A prettiest orange you ever did see. So now we have two colors. What are the colors? Red and orange. Okay, now let's put another fruit in the pot. What fruit is this? Can you name this fruit? It's a lemon. Very good. Take the lemon and put it in the pot. Stir it a lot. Take it out. What could it be? A prettiest yellow you ever did see. Now we have three colors in the rainbow. Can you name the colors? Red, orange and yellow. Okay. Now what is this one? What is this one? It's a pear. Take a pear, put it in the pot, stir it a lot. Take it out. What could it be? A prettiest green you ever did see. There is another fruit. What about this? This is a blueberry. Shall we put them in the pot? Okay. Take some blueberry, put it in the pot, stir it a lot. Take it out. What could it be? A prettiest blue you ever did see. Okay, now we are going to put the last fruit. Can you name the last fruit? Look at this. It's a grapes. These are grapes. Take some grapes the pot. Stir it, stir it, stir it a lot. Take it out. What could it be? A prettiest purple you ever did see. Now we have 6 colors. Shall we name the colors? Red and orange and yellow and green, blue and purple colors are seen. Put them together. What will they be? The prettiest rainbow you ever did see. Have you ever seen a rainbow up in the sky? Have you ever seen a rainbow up in the sky? Yes, rainbow. The rainbows happens when rain, clouds and then the sun shines through the rain. It makes a rainbow. When the rainbows happen, when the rain and clouds and then the sun shines through the rain, it makes a rainbow. Most of the time, when we draw a rainbow, we put 6 colors. But in the real rainbow has 7 colors. In the real rainbow, there has 7 colors. That is we call violet. We call it violet. So I am going to put the 7th one. This is the violet. Okay. Now shall we name the rainbow colors? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, violet. Okay. Thank you for listening.